So I know what you're thinking, robots making rotis? Let's check it out. So if you've heard of Rotimatic, let me know in the comments below of what you think robots making rotis. And if you haven't, then don't worry, I'm going to show you, I'm going to unbox this and I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, so there's instructions at the top of the box on how to unbox. Apparently all you do is there's some flaps here on the side. So you just have to take them out like this and then we've got some manuals in here. We've got Rotimatic user manual and we've got getting started with Rotimatic. It says make fresh rotis at home effortlessly. So I'll be reading that. The manual's in here in different languages. The cable and plug, of course. How else will it work? And also a cleaning kit. So let's open it up. So there you go, guys. There you have it. It's a smart looking machine. It goes nicely in my kitchen. There's a few compartments here. There's one for oil. There is one for flour. And there is one for water. And of course, I will go through this in much more detail. And also where the chapatis come out from, you've got a little flap here as well. So first things first, as soon as I power it on, before we can make any rotis, I need to do a software update from my phone. It's an app, which is a Rotimatic app. So let me just do that and I'll come straight back. So I've had a look at the app. Apparently it didn't need a software update. It's already on the latest one. So woohoo. It's actually quite good. It's got recipes, it's got how-to videos, it's got how to set it up, how to configure it. So you know, some people like reading manuals or some people like to watch videos. So you've got both. So I filled the compartments up and we've got the water. So I'm just going to slot that in. And the flour. In that goes, and also our oil. And there you go. And the storage containers here, don't worry if you've got flour and oil left over, you can leave it in there and use it for next time. So the beauty of this is you can fill this up, but it will only use what it needs to depending on what you've selected here. Okay, so you can make roti, puri or pizza. So we're going to make rotis, so I'm going to select that. So press that. Okay, and the next menu you've got here is select your flour. So don't worry if you don't recognize any of these flours, because after you've installed the app, you will get a message listing the other flours, and it will tell you what to select over here. Okay, so I'm just going to select that. And here you've just got a bit of safety instructions here. So we'll okay that. And it's making some noises. Okay, so now we're on to our next menu. So we're going to set our preferences, how thick you want it, so thickness and the roast level, so the color of it when it cooks, and how much oil. So you've got 2 drops there. So because this is my first one, I am going to select medium on thickness. Roast, I'll do 2, and oil, I'll leave it to 1. I'm just going to put in how many rotis we're going to make. You can make 20 rotis in one go and takes 90 seconds per roti, which is amazing if you think what else you can do in that time. So I'm going to just press this plus and we're going to make 5. And of course we need to open this flap for the rotis to come out. And I think we're all good to go. I'm just going to press the play button. And then it says, do you want to start making rotis? And of course, yes. It'll take a few minutes for it to warm up, and while that's happening, you can set the table, you can, you know, finish off your cooking, and then it'll be ready in no time. So it's very quick and very fast. So if you look at the machine churning the flour into a dough ball, you don't have to worry about exact measurements when it comes to making rotis, because Rotimatic does it for you. As you can see, the Rotimatic puffs up the rotis, and the nice thing is every roti will come out evenly, same size and same shape every time. And then what happens is that the fresh steaming hot roti is released onto the tray. And from the time you press the button to when the roti comes out onto the tray, there's no mess. It's so simple that anyone can use it, and the possibilities are endless. Okay, I guess we can just power that off now, as it says there, and we'll talk a bit more about it. We started off with 5 rotis. Guys, we've only got 1 now. My kids were eagerly waiting for their sugar roti. I made it and they swiftly ate them. So a big thumbs up from them as well. So going back to the Rotimatic, a recap, I filled the compartments with the flour, water, oil. Select on the menu the thickness, the roast level and the oil on your setting. And while it's happening, you can do your thing. You know, you could let this carry on, you can stick the laundry out, you can set the table, you can prepare the meal, you can clean, you can iron, you can do whatever you want. It saves you rolling. It saves you a lot of time as well. I was very impressed, and actually it was much better than I expected. So every time you want to make fresh rotis, I know some people, they make rotis, they put it in the freezer for later. I know I've done that myself, or you buy frozen rotis from the shop. So now you've got the Rotimatic, which gives you hot, fresh, soft and fluffy rotis every time. So if you and your family love roti, but you don't want the hard work, then I would recommend you get one of these. Check out the website and the link below, and for my followers, you'll get a special discount. If you've got one or you're thinking of buying one, then I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Do let me know what you think. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, then make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching, and if you don't mind, I'm going to enjoy the last one.